If you're an Insta360 One X owner, that's the original 1.0 version, not the One X2, then you may have been pretty unhappy when Insta360 introduced the new unified app, taking many of the shot lab special effects that you had away. Well, I've got some good news for you. Let's go. So in the Insta360 app update that dropped just a few days ago, that's app version 1.4.3 to be clear on my iOS device, then it looks like there have been a lot of changes, and most of this seems to be mainly about now supporting the One X2. But if you dig around a little bit, and you can see that down here in change log point number 10 on the app, check out this news. One X creators can now use clone trail, dolly zoom, time flip, and jump planet in the shot lab. So that's not everything back again, but a lot of it is back again, and hopefully gives One X users some added confidence that although there have been new cameras released and that the original One X is now over 2 years old, there's still life in it yet, and Insta360 are continuing to support it and crucially to listen to user feedback if it's loud enough and directed well. So keep talking about what you want to see, what you like and what you don't like. Post that in the Facebook groups or here on my channel too, because if there's enough people, or if it's a big enough problem like the Bluetooth wake up thing that led to battery drain in the One X that has now been addressed in the One X2, well, constructive criticism does seem to make a difference. Feel free to share this video on to let others know. Watch this video for more good stuff from me and catch you back again here soon, I hope. Laters in it.